Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. The title of our project is Multimedia Security Using Encryption as a Way. Let's see our abstract of our project. Multimedia application, especially over wireless networks, can easily be intercepted, thus making its security an essential and challenging issue. Multimedia encryption is the core enabling technology that provides confidentiality and prevents unauthorized access of the content. Real-time constraints, large amount and unique characteristics of multimedia data inhibits the use of traditional cryptography algorithm over multimedia data. The main aspect of our project is to review the state of secure and privacy-preserving encryption schemes applicable to digital multimedia such as digital images, digital video, and digital audio. This is the flow of our project. First, the user have the basic validations like registration and login. After that, the user have the two options like send multimedia and receive multimedia. If the user goes to send multimedia, they have the options like image, audio and video. In this, they have to choose the type of multimedia. After that, choosing the file, the key will be generated for the selected file. After that, the file is uploaded. If we move to the receive multimedia part, the user will get the list of uploaded encrypted file. After that, they have to select which file they have to download. It will check at the backend and get the secret key from the backend. After that, the multimedia file will be downloaded. Let's run our project. Start. We have the login and registration part here. Let register here like name as XYZ, user as user XYZ, password as pass, give a random email ID. Then phone number. Now our registration record is submitted at the backend database. Next we move to the login part. Let's enter the name and password. Here we have the two options like send multimedia file and receive multimedia file. You have to send, just click. Here we have to choose the type of the multimedia we have to upload. If it is other than the type of video, it will not be supported. So choose the video file. Now we get the key for this file. Our video is uploaded successfully. This process will be same on the image and audio file. If we have to receive the multimedia file, just go. Here we have the list of files that we have uploaded. Just choose and download.